Good day everyone! We're going to make colored water ganache. You can also use this under your fondant cakes or just as it is. Melt chocolate in a microwave at low to medium heat, stirring every 15 seconds to distribute the heat evenly. Or, if you're going to melt it in a double boiler, make sure that the bottom of the bowl will not touch the hot water. You can also turn off the fire after placing the bowl on top of your double boiler just to make sure that it's not too hot. Chocolates are sensitive to heat, it burns easily, so use the lowest possible heat that you can. Chocolates and bowl should be water-free, not even a drop, before and while melting it. You will only add the water once the chocolate is fully melted. I use 6:1 ratio. 6 part chocolate is to 1 part of water. Always divide the weight of the chocolate by 6 to get the weight of the water. So, 500 divided by 6 is 83. For example, if you're going to use 600 grams of white chocolate instead of 500, 600 divided by 6 is 100. So, 600 grams of chocolate is to 100 grams of water. And also, use weighing scale. It is more accurate than using measuring cups. But if you still want to try, it is possible since you can adjust your ratio based on your preference too. If you want it thinner, add more water. If you want it thicker, use more chocolate. But again, if you want to have a consistent result, I suggest you use weighing scale. Mix until well combined and then add food color. I use gel food color. I know there's food color for chocolates, but this will work fine. I used a lot of food color just to show you that you can make dark colored water ganache, but we will also make it lighter later. I prefer using my ganache while it is runny, but if you want it thicker and more spreadable, just wait until it thickens before using. It is more on personal preference. It is easier for me and I don't have to wait until I can use it. That's why I prefer to use it right away even though it is runny. Again, you can wait for it until it thickens before using it if you want. Just leave it until it reaches your desired consistency. It takes time though. After applying ganache, chill or freeze your cake until just it firms up a little. This one is optional. Whisk it to thicken it a bit and to lighten its color. By the way, I used hand mixer after whisking it. That part was accidentally deleted. I'm sorry, but again, it is optional. I seldom use hand mixer too. I use it just to lighten its color. Chill or freeze your cake until it just firms up a little, just enough that it will not stick on your hands but not too hard. Do not chill or freeze your ganache cake for too long as it will get moist. I'll show you what it looks like at the end of the video. Then apply ganache again. Chill or freeze your cake after each layer of ganache. Since it is runny, I need to apply a lot of it compared if you will use a thicker ganache. Now, if your cake can fit into your fridge, you can leave your cake at room temperature until it thickens or set before applying more ganache. Chilling your ganache cake is optional, but it will help to set your ganache faster, a lot faster. Consistency of ganache will also depend on our weather or working area. If your place is cold, it will thicken and set faster. I live in a hot country, by the way. If you want to make it thinner again, just reheat it for a few seconds in a microwave or double boiler. But always remember that chocolates are sensitive to heat, so do not reheat it often. Yes, I use a lot of ganache for my cakes, but you can use less or more if you want. Again, I live in a very hot country and I can say that it is stable and can stand our weather. But I am not sure about your place, so please explore and try it first.